Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Flakes here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this glitch. It's really fun. Like, look. Like, you can literally, like, use it. Like, it's so fun. Like, you see how I just climbed up there and just went up there, and you can, like freaking, like, see how I can wall run the map. Like, watch. Like, watch me wall run the whole map. See, you see that? You see that? See how cool that is? You can use it, like, if you're a noob and you don't know how to get up that freaking ramp, you can freaking just, like, do this. Oh shoot, I messed up. And freaking just get up there, like I did the first time. I can't do it anymore. Anyways. Finally. So no more using that stupid little ramp. You can just, if I can get up here. Whee! Come on, please make it. Yeah. So no more bird. You can literally just freaking go in here. Whee! And like, look how far. You see how far I just jumped? Oh, boom! I'm so good. Yo, what is this? Oh, this is so cool. You can use it in horror. It's faster than Thumpy. I'm not joking. Like, you know how fast Thumpy is? Alright, so you guys are wondering if I'm going to teach you how to do it. And the answer is, at 60 subs. I'm not teaching you guys until I hit 60 subs. Yep, I'm going to turn out to be one of them YouTubers that begs for 60 subs. See, I just got out of the map. Look how fast I can go. Some of you might already know. Like, you can literally go above the freaking barrier with it, I think. Hold up. Oh, I need to see what the barrier is. Okay, right on the edge. Bruh. Anyways, you can get, like, on that, I think. But, yeah, guys, this is just a showcase of it. I'll teach you guys how to do it. 60 subscribers! No, I'm gonna make that one day. That jump from that side to that side. I can't wait to show you guys. I mean, I won't show it unless we get 60, I'm just saying. Hate to be that guy. But if y'all get me to 60, I will show you the glitch in Capuchin. And this is the update, the camping update. And yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff that you can do with it. I don't know if you can glitch in the beach map with it, though. You can probably glitch in here with people. Yeah, I don't think you can get in there. Duck Bust has had enough with all those glitches. But yeah, it's really fun. I don't even want to end the video. But yeah. Oh, no way. Nah, I missed. But yeah, that's basically what the glitch is. I will teach you guys at 60 subs. Yep. I'll see you guys. By the way, this is what top of stump looks like. I really like the realism. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And oh my god, if I can get up here. Come on. No! Okay, let's do this. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna do the one and only thing. Yes. See how easy that. Okay. Are you kidding me right now? Kidding me. Kidding me. Hurry up so I can end the video, capuchin, no! Come on. Go on. Yes. So good. Okay. I can't get up there no more. Are you kidding me? Brew. Okay, can we just like come on. Yes. Yes. Yes, I did it. Oh my lordy lord. Anyways, at the end of this video, hold up. There we go, finally. Out of the map. Let's go, baby. Okay, here's the end of the video. 60 subs, I'll teach it. And yeah, bye guys.